The world is witnessing a seismic shift in the global order, a transformation that is reshaping the balance of power on a global scale. China, once isolated and often underestimated, has emerged as a formidable force in the international arena. Its economic prowess, political ambitions, and military modernization are undeniable, marking a significant shift in global dynamics. Is China positioning itself to replace the United States as the world's leading superpower? This question looms large in geopolitical discussions. China's rise is deeply intertwined with its economic transformation, which has lifted millions out of poverty and created a burgeoning middle class. The nation has become the world's second-largest economy and a major player in global trade, influencing markets far and wide. Beyond its borders, China is shaping the economic landscape through ambitious initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative, which spans continents. However, China's ambitions extend far beyond economic dominance, reaching into space exploration and military advancements. The United States now faces a formidable competitor, challenging its long-held position as the world's preeminent power. The future of global power may lie in a multipolar world where nations navigate a complex web of cooperation and competition, redefining international relations. China's economic rise has been remarkable. The nation transformed from a poor agrarian society into a global economic powerhouse. This transformation has been fueled by a skilled workforce, strategic government policies, and relentless innovation. The Belt and Road Initiative aims to connect China to Asia, Europe, and Africa through infrastructure projects. China is also making strides in cutting-edge technologies like AI and 5G. This technological prowess enhances China's military capabilities and global influence. However, China's economic ascent faces challenges like a growing wealth gap and environmental degradation. Navigating these challenges is crucial for China to maintain its economic momentum. As China's economic might has grown, so has its political influence. The nation is actively asserting itself on the world stage. This assertiveness is evident in China's diplomatic maneuvers and strategic partnerships. China focuses on building strong relationships with developing countries through initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative. China is also active in multilateral institutions like the United Nations and the World Trade Organization. However, China's growing assertiveness has sparked concerns about its intentions. Its actions in Hong Kong, Xinjiang, and towards Taiwan have drawn international condemnation. How China wields its newfound power will have profound implications for the future of global order. China's military modernization is a visible and concerning aspect of its rise, capturing the attention of global powers. Driven by a desire to protect its economic interests and assert its territorial claims, China has embarked on a significant military buildup, investing heavily in new technologies. This modernization includes an expanding navy, a sophisticated air force, and advanced missile capabilities, making China a formidable military power. China's military presence is particularly evident in the South China Sea, a vital waterway for international trade and regional security. China claims sovereignty over almost the entire South China Sea, raising tensions with its neighbors and the United States, who have their own strategic interests in the region. The country is also developing capabilities that could challenge the United States' military dominance in the Asia-Pacific region, leading to a potential power shift. Whether China's growing military might will maintain peace or pursue a more assertive foreign policy remains to be seen as the world watches closely. China's rise as a global power presents both opportunities and challenges for the international community. Its economic dynamism has lifted millions out of poverty, created a burgeoning middle class, and fueled global growth. However, China's growing assertiveness and military buildup have raised concerns among its neighbors and the wider world. The United States now faces a formidable competitor challenging its interests, values, and influence on the global stage. The future of global power is uncertain, with some predicting a new Cold War and others envisioning a multipolar world where power is more evenly distributed. Regardless of the scenario, China's rise will undoubtedly reshape the global landscape for decades to come. How the United States and other nations respond to this shift will determine the course of the 21st century. The world must find a way to accommodate China's rise peacefully, while upholding international values, principles, and fostering cooperation.